In this video, we'll learn how to create contacts in SILQ. To get to the Contacts window, click on Contacts in the Quick Access bar. There are two primary forms of contacts, people and companies. Let's start by making a person. This is probably something you've done before. Start by clicking on New Contact. Put in the full name of the client in the name box. I'll name this person John Smith. SILQ will then fill in some of the client details for you. As you can see here, it's put John as the first name and Smith as the last name. You can continue filling in the other details such as the person's phone numbers, email, address, etc. Click on Save at the bottom of the window and SILQ will add this new contact. Next, let's create a company contact. A company contact is for a firm or business a person might work for. Click on New Contact. Make sure the type says Company. Put in the name of the company as well as any phone numbers, email or addresses it might have. A company contact has a People tab where you can see who's attached to this company. You can add people to this company by clicking on the Add Person button at the bottom and selecting a person contact. You can also attach a person to a company from a person contact. To do that, let's go back to the contact I created earlier. In the Person tab, there's a Company/Client box. If you click on the Contacts button, you can choose a company to attach to this client. When you attach a company to a person, SILQ will ask you if you want to use the company's address. If you click on Yes, you will see that the company's phone numbers will appear in the Phone/Web tab, and the address will now change to the company address. Depending on if you attach a company to a person, it will change how letters are addressed to this contact. For example, here is how a letter is attached to John Smith with no company attached to his contact. And this is how John Smith is addressed with a company attached to his contact. Notice how the address now includes the company's name and address.